Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. My name is Konsta. In this introduction, I will show you how to work with goal setting using objectives and key results with Fingertip for Microsoft Teams. I will explain a bit about the benefits of objectives management and how to execute it using Fingertip. Objectives management is a way for organizations to reduce spending time on non-productive and non-value creating activities by rewarding activities that create directly quantifiable results. You can ensure focus and alignment using Fingertip's objective tools, creating goals which you can then prioritize, categorize, and discuss together. Fingertip objectives are numeric and measurable, inspirational goals that are high in ambition but nevertheless reachable. It's a comprehensive and holistic system to manage objectives and link them to daily operations. With Fingertip Objectives, you can boost motivation and engagement in your employees and increase overall performance. It increases self-organization, makes work more rewarding by adding more achievement to every day. Fingertip works in multiple directions, bottom up, top down, and sideways. So everybody in the organization is setting goals and everybody in the organization is working to reach those goals. You can set measurable targets either for your team, your organization, and even in the personal level. So you also improve in reporting. The targets are set high, so they are motivating for ambitious employees, and they are also transparent, so they are shared across the organization, so everybody is aware of what are the strategic focal points you're working towards. Your objectives help you fix your sight on specific targets that are based on your vision and strategy. They are shared and transparent and measurable, which make them an ideal tool for agile organizations to improve collaborative leadership. Now let's look at Fingertip and see how you can manage objectives and key results with Fingertip. Here's the home screen of Fingertip, which acts also as the base of all your operations during daily knowledge work. In the activity log, I can see my most important objectives or most recent objectives listed. Let's see what this objective is all about. So this is an objective item. Now it might look there's a lot going on here, but it's actually all very logical. You have the title and the description which describe what is the objective about. You can see the initial values, current values, and target values, what are the goals, and then the chart visualizes the progress over time towards that goal that you have. There is a life cycle, so you start by preparing the objective. Once you are happy with the goal and the descriptions, you can set the objective in motion, which is basically the period when you will be tracking the objective's progress. This one will be tracked until next year's March, which is when we look at where we have come to until that time, and we can close the objective. Now there are also the key results that we might be able to more directly affect to, and these might give us more direction into our daily operations. Here's our improve output by 5% key result. Now we can update it. If the number of the day, for example, would be 4, I can then just add that as new value and save. And now we know that the current progress towards that key result is actually at 80%. We can now add another key result we want to follow for this EBITDA improvement, which would be to improve an average deal size by 20%. So basically starting from 0 going towards 20 from this day on, and let's set our site to the 7th of March. I need to share this with my team so everybody has access and sees the progress towards this key result, and then click create. And now it has been added to our key results, and you notice the progress bar updates automatically as well. Now we can also tie tasks that are directly related to succeeding in this particular objective. For example, setting up a more optimized shift work schedule to improve our output. This we might want to get done by the end of the month. Now we can look at all the objectives in the entire organization. We can move to the Objectives tab from a single objective by clicking on Objectives. Here you can see all of the objectives currently in place. What is their progress, status, who's in charge, when they are expected to be complete. And there's also a traffic light indicator showing if everything is going well or less than optimally. It also includes a lot of interesting historical data of the objectives from the past, so we can compare our current performance or get inspiration from what has been done before, so we don't always have to reinvent everything. Now let's start creating a new objective, which happens by clicking the new objective button on the top right corner. And it will open this new objective pop-up. Here's the new objective pop-up, and we can now set our next objective being becoming Europe's leading firefighter garment manufacturer in 2024. So we want to establish ourselves as the market leader since we have innovated a new material that should make us the most attractive option. So let's make this a binary target by setting the initial value at 0, target value at 1, current obviously at 0, and our target was by the end of 2024. So let's set our end goal there. Once more, let's add our team here. So we will share the objective with everyone. Clicking create creates the objective and shares it with everyone. Now we can see the current status at 0, aiming for the ambitious 1 target value. Now, since this target's due date is such a far way away, it might be a bit difficult to tie this to early activities. So we will now create a couple key results that we can already start following up on a bit sooner. So we want to become the market leader in 5 European countries in 2022. Let's set that goal to the end of 2022. And also setting ourselves a ambitious sales target of selling 30 millions worth of firefighter garments in 2022. Now we have discussed this with everybody in our teams. We are happy with our assessment as well as our goal. So we will click on in progress that we have aligned ourselves towards this objective and are happy to move forward with it. Here are the indicators, the traffic light that I can use to signal if there are some challenges or critical issues, or if the progress is going so far well. You can also add a decorative image here to help identify this and make it a bit more appealing to use. Fingertip is the easy way to lead, and with Fingertip Objectives, you too can take strides to bring your organization's digital maturity and management to the next level. Thank you for listening. You can contact us via the details in our website, fingertip.org, or find us on social media platforms and get on your fingertip journey. That's everything from me today. My name has been Konsta Huuki, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.